Hello colleagues, this is Yin Mo from the Kong Metropolitan University. In this poster presentation, I will talk about a preliminary study performed by my group. We studied the microbial quality of compost produced from pig manure. As organic food is becoming more popular, more and more farmers are adopting organic farming. The core temperature of the compost pile can reach higher than 70 degrees, and the heat generated from composting is useful to inactivate bacteria. However, there are more and more foodborne diseases related to the consumption of organic vegetables. Therefore, we would like to know that the changes of the common foodborne disease related to composting process and find out if they can be eliminated. We adopted the composting method of local farmers. The starter materials composed of coffee grounds, plant waste, and pig manure. The starter materials were mixed and then placed in a semi-covered area in the farmland. Throughout the process, we collect compost samples from the top, middle, and bottom layer from the compost pile, and then turn and mix the compost. The compost samples were then cultured using selective agents. 6 types of bacteria, including E. coli, Listeria monocytogenes, Streptococcus aureus, Campylobacter jejuni, Vibrio cholera, and Salmonella species were selected. The bar chart on the poster showed the changes of bacteria during composting. Salmonella was not detected in all samples, while V. cholera and S. aureus vanished at the end of the composting, while E. coli and C. jejuni dropped during the thermophilic stages, but they returned afterwards. It was kind of surprising that although the composting process generated high temperature, Listeria monocytogenes was not affected at all, and their number remained stable throughout the whole composting period. The results suggested that even though composting is a simple and effective means to obtain high-quality organic fertilizer, the application of manure could contaminate crops and poses risks to consumers. It is a rather common practice for farmers to apply fertilizer multiple times during the cultivation period. The practice maintained fertility of soil, but also higher the chances of crops being contaminated by the bacteria in manure, especially those who consume organic vegetable food. In the coming study, we will further investigate microbial diversity of the compost and see the community changes throughout the composting period. Thank you for listening, and comments are welcome. Thank you very much.